Most people imagine sharks, lions, or crocodiles when they think of deadly animals. But the truth is, some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth aren't the ones you expect. They don't roar, stalk, or lunge in obvious ways. Instead, they kill with silent efficiency, and in some cases, faster than you can react. Today, we're looking at 6 animals that can kill you faster than you think, and some of them might be living closer to you than you realize. Let's start with the box jellyfish. Drifting almost invisibly through tropical oceans, this gelatinous predator looks harmless. But its tentacles are lined with tiny harpoons loaded with one of the most powerful venoms in the world. A sting from a large box jellyfish can stop a human heart in just a few minutes. Victims often describe the pain as excruciating, and in some cases, swimmers have gone into shock and drowned before they could even call for help. What makes them so terrifying is their near invisibility. Imagine swimming in clear blue water, unaware that a creature no bigger than a basketball is capable of killing you faster than a shark ever could. Next is the inland taipan, often called the fierce snake. Native to Australia, it carries the most toxic venom of any snake on the planet. A single bite contains enough venom to kill more than 100 adult humans. What's even more shocking is how fast the venom works. Without anti-venom, death can occur in under an hour, sometimes even faster if the bite is deep. The inland taipan is shy and rarely encountered, but in the unlucky event of a bite, you have less time than almost any other snake on Earth. Moving to the ocean again, meet the stonefish. Blending perfectly with rocky sea floors and coral, the stonefish looks like just another lump of rock. Step on one, though, and needle-sharp spines inject venom that causes intense pain, paralysis, and sometimes cardiac arrest. Death can follow in less than an hour if untreated. Divers and fishermen in the Indo-Pacific know to fear them because stonefish are masters of camouflage, and you usually don't notice them until it's too late. Another animal on this list is shockingly small, the golden poison dart frog of Colombia. Barely 2 inches long, it's one of the deadliest creatures in the world. Its skin secretes batrachotoxin, a chemical so powerful that just touching it can be fatal. Indigenous tribes once used the frog's toxins to coat the tips of their blow darts, and even today, scientists note that the poison could kill multiple humans from a single frog's secretions. Unlike snakes or jellyfish, the dart frog doesn't need to bite or sting. Its skin alone is a weapon, making it a tiny but terrifying killer. Let's not forget the Cape buffalo, sometimes called the Black Death of Africa. Unlike predators that attack for food, Cape buffalo are unpredictable, aggressive, and dangerously fast. Weighing up to 1/800 pounds, they can charge at speeds of 35 miles per hour. With razor-sharp horns and a tendency to ambush hunters, they're responsible for more deaths in Africa than lions. If a buffalo decides to charge, you have only seconds to react, and most people don't escape unscathed. Finally, the blue-ringed octopus. This tiny cephalopod, no bigger than a golf ball, is found in tidal pools around Australia and Southeast Asia. Its bright blue rings flash as a warning, but if ignored, it delivers a venomous bite that contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and respiratory failure within minutes. There's no anti-venom, and victims can suffocate while remaining fully conscious, aware of what's happening but unable to move or breathe. Imagine holding something so small in your hand, unaware it has enough venom to kill dozens of people in less than an hour. What makes these 6 animals so remarkable isn't just their ability to kill quickly, but how deceptively ordinary some of them appear. They're not giant beasts tearing through the jungle. They're jellyfish, frogs, snakes, fish, and even a tiny octopus. Quiet killers that prove nature's deadliest weapons often come in the smallest, least expected packages. So the next time you picture dangerous wildlife, don't only think of sharks or lions. Remember the creatures you can barely see, the ones hiding under rocks, drifting through the waves, or flashing bright colors as a warning. Because when it comes to nature's fastest killers, the ones you least expect may be the ones you need to fear the most.